What's up? It's Poke Farm, and we're back opening up some more packs. So looks like we here got the booster box. Again, got this at market price, but I had that major FOMO. All the hits that I was getting yesterday. Had to. So I'm going to open this up. I'm just going to select maybe like 5 to 10 packs and then kind of save the rest throughout the week. So time to open this baby up. I know this has the IR card. Gotta be careful opening that up. Careful. Nice. So ends Reshiram with the Journey Together stamp. So got that illustration rare. I'm just gonna do what I did yesterday. I'm gonna pick out like, let's do 6 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Save the rest for another day, right? Okay. Put that there. 6 packs. Careful. Code card. Energy. Okay. Ends Darumaka, Noibat, Alolan Geodude, Lotad, Alolan Marowak, Weezing, Virizion, Alolan Graveler, Lombre, Ludicolo. Delmise, Black Belt's Training, Shelmet, Rockruff, Cloth, Levincia, Oinkalone, Mincio. Man, I haven't gotten any hits in a while. It's Rookidee, Ends Clink, Nimble, Larvitar, Excelgor, Hops Corviknight, Greedent, Bagon. Man, Piloswine, Ends Reshiram. Man, it's kind of wild. I'm gonna have to get a few more packs. Lechonk, Cubone, Ends Joltik, Larvesta, Ends Darmanian, Iris Fighting Spirit, Octillery. Man, this is wild. It's crazy. Anybody just picked the bad packs, right? I picked the bad packs. Bagon, Wingull, Togedemaru, Squilvet, Grimmsnarl, Ends PP Up, Pelipper, Torkoal. My good. Oh, wait. Wait. Aw, that's so cute. The Furret. Illustration rare Furret. Okay, that's pretty cute. Alright. Got a hit there. Alright, last pack magic. Or am I going to have to open some more? Furret, Drugidons, Cubone, Lechonk, Pelipper, Hops Bag, Ends Klinklang, Fungus. Okay, at least I see an EX. And Joltik. And Zorak EX. Alright, should we open more?
Yes.
Alright, I'll open some more. Why not, right? How many?
How many, Joe?
6.
7. It's your daughter's birthday.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 7 more packs.
No hits.
1 hit. It's a cute one.
Aww.
Beldum, Torkoal, Kamala, Coughing, Hops Caramort, Lily's Pearl, Cincino, Black Belt Training, Hops Corvisquire, and Hops Double. Lotad, Sentret, and Zorua, Tropius, Octillery, Wheezing, Hops Cameront, Petalil, Hops Bag. Man. Yesterday I just had some good luck, I guess. Huh?
Positivity.
Larvitar, Remoraid, Carablast, Virizion, Hops Choice Band, Articuno, Milcery, and Larvitar, and Bierna. Lilligant, Alolan Graveler, Dunsparce, Impidimp, Hops Corviknight, Spiky Energy, Super Potion, Paldean Wooper, Shelmet, there we go. Hops Zacian EX. Okay, a few more packs. Finals Wattrel, Squawkability, Ends Clang, Furret, Wheezing, Hops Caramorant, Maractus. Oh, Metapod, that's kind of cool. Man. And Sigilyph. Let's kill a Wattrel. 2 more packs. Maybe I'm taking all the bad ones. Maybe all the good ones are still inside. Caterpie, Magmar, Hops Waloo, Beldum, Banette, Hops Bag, Pangoro, Beldum, and Scovit. Last pack magic. Let me just spare myself from misery. Ends Clink. Oh my gosh. Hops Double. Horrible. All right, well, I guess that's it for now. Peace.